What's up, everybody? C's Get Degrees here. And today we're going to be talking about how certain web applications would be if they were taking place in different times. So we're going to do the 80s and 90s today. I chose to look at Glassdoor because Glassdoor is something that I use pretty frequently. It's a way to look at job openings as well as get information on the job openings from people who have worked there and the company themselves. It just offers you a lot of different information on benefits, how employees are treated, the salary you can expect with taking a job offer there, etc., etc. So I'm going to start. I guess I'll just show how it works now. So basically, I could search. I'm going to do FBI agent. I already kind of looked at this. I'll search FBI agent salary, and then Glassdoor's right there. And when you look through it, right, it gives you a whole bunch of different just like points of information, right? So you get your average base pay. If you go further down, you get the benefits page. We could look at this, etc., etc. That's not the important part, but I just wanted to show you guys how it works now in case you haven't heard of it. But really what we were going to look at is how it would differ in the 80s and 90s. So in the 80s and 90s, this wouldn't be so, or in the 80s rather, it wouldn't be so nicely laid out, right? There wouldn't be this pretty user interface. It would be all text-based. In order to look up what I looked up, so the FBI, you'd have to actually find the website, and there'd be text editors that you'd have to go through to get this specific information. It'd probably be presented to you in a way that was not as appealing as this is currently, right? So it would take a lot more expertise to actually find what you were looking for than it does now by just simply Googling it. Now it's a top result. All right. When we move into the 90s, right, so things would look a little prettier with HTML being around. So you'd probably have maybe a picture or two. It'd be a lot easier to sort through what you're looking for. So instead of, a text editor, maybe there's a drop. Probably not a drop down, but you can sort by keywords. So you could look up FBI, or say you're in the IT field, you want to sort things by analyst or engineering positions. That'd be a lot simpler. The one aspect that I haven't touched on is that Glassdoor also allows for people to, like users, to give their information, right? So if I wanted to make a little post about the job that I have, it'd be very easy for me to do so today. Back in the 80s, probably would have been a lot more difficult. You would have maybe had to send in a piece of paper with like what you felt, or you could have sent in a floppy disk to a guy that actually ran the website, but it wouldn't be possible for you to actually update the website yourself unless you were given permission. So yeah, that's just one way, or those are just some of the ways that Glassdoor differs now, or Glassdoor is different than now than it would have been back in the 80s and 90s. And this has been C's Get Degrees, signing off.